Hello, and welcome back to the Blue Screen Actor. My name is Heidi, and I'm here to help. So, today I just wanted to take a moment and just answer some questions that have come in. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been kind of DMing me on the side and saying, hey, what about this? What about that? I truly appreciate it, and it gives me an opportunity to make sure that if there's something you want to know, if I know the answer, I'll give it to you. And if I don't know the answer, I'll find it and then I'll tell you. Which is a great question because I actually have an agent. So I have an agent who's working for me, but then I also self-submit. And some of the websites that I love to use are Actors Access, which I find very easy to use. They list all the castings. You've got Canada, you've got the US, you've got all kinds of places on there. And you can search for work by city. You can search for work by type of work. So it's actually quite nice. And you just put that in there, and it's very easy to submit once you get your profiles up. Another great place to look is Casting Networks. Casting Networks is one of those ones that I love because sometimes they have slightly different things on them. There's a lot of crossover too. But I find just in terms of being aware of what's going on, that's a great place to look. And then there's also Casting Workbook. Casting Workbook is interesting because I find with Casting Workbook, they do put out a lot of things. And again, there is a bit of crossover, but there's people who specifically only post on there for castings. And again, you can tailor all of your searches to the country you want to be in, the cities, that type of stuff. As long as it's a major metropolis in terms of the film industry, you can look at it that way. Something else that I found interesting with using these sites is I kind of play with ethnicity. Because sometimes, like being a Black person, and the same thing with a lot of other ethnicities, there's different types within that range of what you are. So sometimes I've seen Black African, I've seen Black Caribbean, I've seen Black, just Black. And I'm like, okay, so when I search all three, I get different results. Sometimes I'll get two, sometimes three, sometimes there'll be four results. But it's kind of interesting. So be sure to use all of those filters that kind of could apply to you just to make sure that you're not missing out on anything. One thing I do want to kind of address in terms of looking for work is if you are represented, just double check with your agency first. Make sure that they're okay with you self submitting because you don't want to step on anyone's toes and you don't want to be submitting for a job that they've already submitted you for because it becomes very confusing for the casting agent who's receiving that. So definitely have an open discussion with your agent, see what they're comfortable with, and if self submissions are something you're able to do, then definitely do. But those would be my go-to sites for work that is basically available, showing union, non-union, theater, film, kind of everything. So that's where I'd say to start.